Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another great recipe for you today. This one comes courtesy of me. This is from my book, From Mama's Table to Mine. Great book. I have really good memories of it. This was number one on the New York Times bestseller list in its category. I'm very, very proud of that book. And here we are all these years later, and it still is great. So we're doing a Yes You Can mac and cheese. It's a non-baked mac and cheese. It's all going to be right here in this pot. And it's going to be low fat, as you can imagine, from Mama's Table to Mine. The premise of the whole book was 350 calories or less, all the recipes were. And they were all really tasty. So you'll see as we go that everything's reduced fat. And I hope you like it. So through the magic of television, we've already cooked the pasta. But I've got the pasta pot back on the stove. And to that, we're going to add some butter. Yes, you see that it's only a small amount of butter. My mom would not be proud. So we want to invite her in here to look. And a little bit of flour. We'll whisk this together. And then we'll add our, dare I say it, skim milk. Once again, we won't talk to Mom about it. Maybe we should just serve this to her and, no, that's a risk. Hey, look at that. That's the New York Times bestseller. That's what it is, Mama. So to that, we'll add the whisk. My pot was already hot, so I'm going to go ahead and add the milk.
Bobby, just so you know, in the recipe, it does say elbow macaroni, but
We've got...
I did rotini because it wasn't available. All whole wheat wasn't available in elbow.
Yep. So Teresa just said that the original recipe calls for elbow macaroni, and that's not what we did here. We've got rotini, but it'll work out just as well. So our milk is in, and we'll keep an eye on this until it thickens. So that should give us time right now to take one break, and we'll come right back. So our pot's beginning to thicken. Our skim milk and, well, it was butter, flour, and we added some skim milk, and it's starting to get just the right amount of thickness. Now to that, I'm going to add our cheese. So this is a low-fat cheddar. Parmesan.
Together, good Lord.
Neufchâtel. Give that a stir and get, yeah, that's going to quickly get perfect. Yep. Melting just right. And quickly starting to thicken. That's beautiful. Now this is such a simple dish. And it's going to be a little bit colorless. So if you wanted to, you could add some pimentos to this. This has got sort of the same feel and flavor of a good pimento cheese. I make a really good pimento cheese too, if I do say so myself. The pimento cheese, egg salad, tuna salad, chicken salad. I make all those really, really well. But this kind of is reminiscent of the pimento cheese. So if you wanted to add some pimentos to this, you could give it a little pop of color. Our cheeses have melted down. Looks great. So to that, I'm going to add a little bit of mustard powder. About a half teaspoon of Worcestershire. And we're at a little bit of a simmer. We're still getting a little bit of a bubble in this. So my pot is still hot. Super fragrant. It smells really good. And it's just the right amount of thickness. And again, this is a no-bake. Yes, you can mac and cheese. Yes, you can. Looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and turn my eye off and add the pasta back into our cheese sauce.
More beef, I'll leave it in.
Looks good. And oh yeah. Oh man, that looks so good. It smells great too. I think the whole family's gonna like this one. Even Paula Deen might like that. I'll just keep it to myself that it's a low-fat version of everything. Oh, that's nice and creamy thick. Maybe you can get a look at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna toss and coat all that pasta in that wonderful, wonderful sauce. Man, wow. And just a little bit of pepper. Yeah, and it could really do from some for some pimentos, like I said, would look really nice in this. That looks so good. I tell you what, I'm gonna use my little side dish here to taste it. Yes, you can, mac and cheese. Yes, you can, Paula Deen. You can do it like this. Even though it's low fat, everything, it's super satisfying. And even though we used a different pasta, super satisfying. I think my kids would eat this too. Really, really good. It only would do from a little bit of salt. Really, really, really good. Simple mac and cheese, old book. 2013, I think, maybe even before that. Great recipe. Voila. There you have it. Yes, you can, mac and cheese.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.